Let's have a cake today. For this I am going to take 1 cup semolina, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Then mix all the dry ingredients together. Then add egg into it. Mix all the ingredients together. I am going to add brown sugar now. You can add any sweetener you would like. Now mix them well. Add half cup oil in it. Mix them thoroughly. Now add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I am going to take a pan and oil it on all the sides with a brush. Now pour the batter in the pan. For decoration, I am going to add some sprinkles on it. I am going to bake it in a preheated pan. See how perfect it's baked. Let's cut it and enjoy our yummy tasty semolina cake. And say, "Wah, maza aa gaya."